Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Here in England, we were first colonised by the French back in 1066 and William the Conqueror arrived, killed our king and became king himself. After that, French basically became the language of the aristocracy. And even today, if you can pepper your English with a little bit of French here and there, it gives you a certain je ne sais quoi. We often use je ne sais quoi in English to mean that the literal meaning in French is I don't know what. But we use it to mean this kind of pleasant quality that's hard to define or hard to describe. So you might say, for example, problem with that film is it was a bit too short and it lacked a little je ne sais quoi. Yeah, he's not a conventionally attractive guy, but he does have a certain je ne sais quoi that the ladies seem to like. Or maybe, yeah, she just has that je ne sais quoi that distinguishes professionals from amateurs. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use je ne sais quoi.